Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. Today's very easy puzzle is called Conziputive, which is by lithium ion. And I'm guessing that it's a combination of consecutive numbers, which would be a Renban, and consecutive, which means it's a zipper line too. Let's just see if my assumption's correct. Here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit from 1 through 9 such that there are no repeats in any row, column, or designated 9-cell region, which is a box. Digits on a pink Renban line form a set of non-repeating consecutive digits. The pink lines are also zipper lines, so I was correct. This combines Renban and zipper lines together. That is, cells in equal distance from the central cell of the zipper line must sum to the digit in the central cell of the zipper line. Okay, yeah, I just repeated. I was wondering if it was just a repeat, but it makes sense. So for Renban, for example, if this was just a normal Renban line, if you had, this could be something like 4, 6, and 5, and that would be valid because they form a set of consecutive digits. However, this does not fulfill the zipper part of the line. So assuming this was just a zipper line, then say this was 3 and 5, then this would have to be 8, because the digits that are equidistant away from the center of the line, which is here, must add up to the digit that's in the center of the line. But those are examples of how Renban and zipper lines work separately. Anyways, those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay, so since each Renban line is also a zipper line, that means it has to be the digits 1 through n, where n is the length of the line. And the reason you know that is try to have any other consecutive run of digits. Can you ever have those add up to the digit that's in the middle? And it always has to be the highest digit, right? Because all the other digit on the zipper/Renban line is less than it, right? Because they must add up with another digit to add up to it. So say you had 2 through 8 here on the 7th length Renban. Well, the problem is 7 to add up with another digit would have to have 1 there to add up to 8. But obviously you don't have a 1 available because the digits on the Renban must be 2 through 8. And the same problem you have with 3 through 9, right? Then 8 and 7 will require 1 and 2, but that's too long for the Renban. So you always have the length of the line in the central digit because it's the largest digit. So this is 7 and this is 3. This is 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes this 9. This is also 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 9 here. Okay. So then these digits must be adding up to 5. So it's 1 through 4, 1 through 4 here. But this can't be 1 through 4. This can't be 3. So we're guaranteed a 3 is one of these two digits. And it must add up to 2 with 2 to add up to 5. So 2 cannot be here. So we're guaranteed a 3 here. We're guaranteed a 2 here. And this must be a 1-2 pair adding up to 3. So this 1-2 pair eliminates 1 and 2 in the rest of the box. So this cannot be 1 or 2. This is 4. 4 and 1 add up to 5. And that's equidistant away, so this is 2, and that's 3. This digit can only be 5 or 6 because it can't be 1, 2, 3, or 4 because of the 1, 2 pair in the box, the 3 and 4 in the box. So this is 5 or 6, which must add up with 1 or 2 to add up to 7. But this can't be 1 because of the 1 in the row, so this is 2, and this must be 5 to add up to 7 here. Well, 1 can't be anywhere here, so where is 1 on this Ren band? It has to be here. So this is 1 and 6. This must be a 3, 4 pair adding up to 7, but this can't be 4 because of 4 in the column. So this is 3, that's 4. 1 eliminates 1 here, so it's 2 and 1. Okay. This cannot be 1, 2, or 3. These can't be 1, 2, or 3. Where are the 1, 2, and 3s on this red band line? Cannot be here, so 1 has to be one of these two, which means 8 has to be one of these two. 3 cannot be here. 3 can't be here or here. So 3 has to be one of these 3, which means the corresponding 6 must be one of these 3 here. 2 could be any of these 4. It cannot be any of these 4, so 2 has to be here, which means 7 has to be one of these 4. But 7 cannot be here because of the 7 in the row. That eliminates 2 as a possibility here. So we have 6, 7, 8 corresponding to 1, 2, 3. This can't be 2 because these add up to 9. This can't be 7 because if that were 7, it has to add up to 9. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Where are 4 and 5? Where's 5? 5 cannot be here. Cannot be any of these. So because of 5 in the column and 5 in the box here. So 5 could be any of these, which corresponds to 4 being here or 4 being here. Okay. Maybe I should just basically, yeah, list out the possibilities. Maybe that'd be easier. This digit cannot, okay, so 9, where's 9 in this left central box? Cannot be here because, well, it can't be any of the filled in digits. Can't be here because 9 plus another digit is always going to be, which is not 0, must add up to greater than 9. 9 can't be here, so 9 has to be here. The remaining digits in this box then are what? 2, 5, and 8. 5 cannot be here or here, so this must be 5 here. That leaves this as a 2, 8 pair. Well, this 2 eliminates 2 here, so this is 8, which makes this 2. 2 and 7 add up to 9, so that's 7 there. Where's the 9 then in row 4? Cannot be here because of the 9 in the box. Can't be here because 9 in the box. Can't be here because that plus another non-zero digit can never add up to 9. So this must be 9 here. Remaining digits in the central box are 4, 6, and 8. This can't be 6 or 8, so that's 4, which forces this to be a 6, 8 pair. That means they correspondingly add up with 1 and 3 to add up to 9, right? 8 and 1 add up to 9, 6 and 3 add up to 9. This 1 eliminates 1 here, so this is 3, that's 1. 3 and 6 add up to 9, and 1 and 8 add up to 9. Remaining digits then are 4 and 5. This can't be 5 on this red band slash zipper line, so this must be 4, which makes that 5. Okay. Remaining digits in row 4, we have 4, 5, and 6. Remaining digits in row 5, we have 7 and 8. Remaining digits in row 6 are 1, 2, 3. So to add up to 9 here, it has to be 3 and 6. So this is 3, that's 6, which eliminates 3 here and 6 here. Remaining digits in column 1 have to be 7, 8, 9. These can't be 9 because of 9 in the box, so the only place where it can be in column 1 is here. So this is a 7, 8 pair. In column 2, we have what? 2, 6, and 8. This can't be 2 here, so the 2 has to be here in column 2. So this is a 6, 8 pair. Remaining digits in column 3. We have 5, 6, and 7. This can't be 5 or 6 because of the 5 in the box and the 6, 8 pair in the box. So this is 7. That leaves this as 5 or 6, but this can't be 5 because of 5 in the row. So this is 6, and that's 5. Okay. Remaining digits in column 4. We have 6 through 9. This can't be 7 or 9. This can't be 9. Remaining digits in row 7. We have 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. This can't be 6 or 9. This can't be 9 because, again, we can't have it adding up to 9 plus another digit. Non-zero digit never adds up to 9. This can't be 7 or 9 or 6. This can't be 8 because of the 8 in the 6, 7, 9 in the columns. Remaining digits in row 9 have to be 1 through 5. This can't be 2 or 5. This can't be 2 because of the 2 in the box and the 5 in the column here. This can't be 3. So to add up to 9 with these digits, it's either 1 and 8 or 2, 3. Well, this can't be 1 or 3. That eliminates 6 and 8 here. So this is 1 or 7 here. We have a 1, 7, 8 triplet in row 7, which eliminates 1, 7, and 8 in the rest of the row. This can't be 1 or 7. This can't be 1, 7, or 8. And we're guaranteed a 7 here. We have a 1, 2, 7, 8 quadruplet in column 9, which eliminates 1, 2, 7, 8 in the rest of the column. So that leaves 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 as the remaining digits in the column. This can't be 5 because of 5 in the row. This can't be 4 or 9. Okay. Okay. These two digits must add up to 9. So it could be 1, 8 here, 2, 7 here. Cannot be 3, 6. It could be 5 and 4 here. Okay. And these two digits add up to 9. This can't be 7 because one of these two digits must be 7. So this can't be 2. Okay. These two digits add up to 10. Or sorry, 9. So it could be 1, 8. This cannot be 2, 7 either way. Cannot be 3 and 6 because we already have a 3 and 6 on the line. So it could be 4 and 5 here. Where is the 2 and 7 on this line? Which has to have it because there are no repeats. So this must be 2 and this is 7, which eliminates 7 here. And if this was 1 and 8, that would eliminate all possibilities for this cell here. So this can't be 1 and 8. This is 5 and 4. This 5 eliminates 5 on the rest of the red band, so this is 8 and 1. That eliminates 8 here, so it's 6 and 8, which makes this 6. This can't be 6 or 8. These can't be 6. This 6 eliminates 6 here, so this is 9 and 6 here. This 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 1 and 8. This can no longer have 4 or 6. This can't be 1 or 4. That makes this a 2, 3, 5 triplet, which eliminates 2, 3, and 5 in the rest of the row and the rest of the box. So this can't be 3 or 5. It's 9, which eliminates 9 here. This 5 eliminates 5 here, so it's 2, which means this can't be 2 here. This 5 eliminates 5 here. Okay, remaining digits in row 3 are 4, 7, 8, 9. This cannot be 8, 9. This can't be 7, 8, or 9, so that must be 4 here, which means this cannot be 4 here. This can't be 8. This 4 eliminates 4 here, so this is 7, which makes this 8, which makes that 9. That makes this 7. This 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 9. It can't be 7 or 9, so it's 8. This 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 7 and 8. This 4 eliminates 4 here, so it's 1 and 4. 1 eliminates 1 here, so it's 2 and 1. This 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 8 and 7. Remaining digits in column 7 are 3, 4, 5. This can't be 4, 5 because of 4, 5 in the row. So this is 3, which makes this 5, which makes that 4. That makes this 3 and this 5. 3 eliminates 3 here, so it's 6. This can't be 3 or 6, so it's 4, which forces this to be 7. We have 1 and 2 remaining in row 2. This can't be 1 because of the 1 in the column, so this is 2, that's 1. We have 6 and 3 remaining in row 1. This can't be 6 because of 6 in the column, so this is 3, that's 6. That leaves this digit as a 3 and this digit as a 5. And that's solution. Yeah, pretty straightforward. It should be fairly obvious how the zipper slash Renban line has to work. At least I hope it does. And then everything else sort of follows from that, right? So, yeah, pretty straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn How to Sudoku, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.